Hiking our way through Conservation Park, and we're in a part that's kind of interesting. There's the trees, all pine logs, and then down in the water, it's a solid green blanket of I don't know what. Come around here, and you can see it's pretty quiet here as well. Oh look, we have a model here. He must have been here for a long time. Come over here, and you can see more of the green, the beautiful green. I'm not sure if some of these trees are dead and some of them are not. It's kind of hard to tell. And that's the marshland area of Conservation Park.